Today we're making pulled pork egg rolls. Our ingredients: sharp cheddar cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, Tillman's Chipotle apple barbecue sauce, pulled pork, and sliced banana peppers. We're going to freshly shred our block cheddar cheese there. First step, we're going to add our Tillman's Chipotle apple barbecue sauce to our pulled pork. And then we're going to mix that in real good by hand. Our next step is going to be adding the block of cream cheese and about a cup of the shredded cheese. And we're going to mix this together until it's all mixed in real well, makes a good ball. Then we're going to get our egg rolls out, set them on the plate. We're going to add our pulled pork mixture to the egg roll. These turned out so good. I was very excited about these egg rolls. I'm going to add a couple of banana pepper slices to the top of it. Then we're going to wet our edges so it'll stick together real good. Then we're going to roll it up like a burrito. We're going to heat up our oil to 350 and then put these in the oil. And we're going to cook them till they're golden brown. Now that they're going brown, we're going to get them out of the oil. We're going to let them set for a little bit. But again, these turned out so good. We're going to put a little of the Tillman's Chipotle apple barbecue sauce in a bowl. And we're going to use that as a dipping sauce. I'm going to cut this open and let you see the inside of it. But again, the flavor on these were great. We loved them. So if you want a good egg roll, definitely give these a try. We're going to put the recipe down in the description for you. You can try these out, and you'll have some good egg rolls for next time everybody's come over. So thank you, guys. Try it out. Have a great day. Because everything's better together.